Hey guys, it's Lauren. Today I'm going to be unboxing the BeautyFIX box by Dermstore, and first of all it's going to be really fun because there's lots of little products that we get to see, and second of all I think you're going to think it's really cool because it's a really dope way to consistently be like swapping out new awesome trusted products at a price that's really affordable and realistic. So if you subscribe, it's $24.95, and wait till you see like the variety of everything in there. It's super dope. Let's start the unboxing. So in every one of these boxes, you'll get at least like one full-size product. Sometimes it's two, sometimes it's three, which is great. This one is the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. This has been one of my favorite creams for so long. I'm a big fan of First Aid Beauty. I trust them and I love all their products, but this one specifically, I use it on my face or like all over my body, and it's great for sensitive skin. And it's just super gentle, but it's really, it'll just change the texture of your skin. It'll take it from like dry to just so nice, and it just makes me feel so good. And like especially before bed, I just like lather it on and I go to bed and I just wake up and it's good. I love this one. We also got a big beaker bottle. So I mean, look, school's about to start, summer's over. I don't know what you did this summer, but I did a couple of things this summer and I need to drink water. You know what I mean? Like I went a little bit hard this summer, and yeah, now I need to just be like consistently carrying around my water for my skin, for my health, for my life. You know what I mean? So yeah, school's about to be back in session. We need our water, and it's also good to just like have for class. I mean, obviously, and it's like a glass bottle. Bougie, we love her. So we also have the Alterna Caviar CC Cream. It's good for like 10 different things. It's great for your hair. It'll help you with your moisture. It'll help you with some heat protection, which I just recently got into. I don't know why like it took me so long, but I got a haircut. The girl was like, do you use anything to protect your hair from the heat, like when you style it? I'm like, no. And then she basically told me that my hair is broken and sad. So ever since then, I've been using products like this to make that extra step to give my hair the love and attention that it deserves. And it's been really great for me. So products like this are amazing for stuff like that. You can also leave it in there like a mask, which it's just good to have something like this. It's good to have something to give your hair a little love. Next we have the Josie Maran 100% pure argan oil. I've used this a million times, and it's good for your nails, it's good for your hair, it's good for your skin. It's kind of just one of those products that you can do whatever you want with, and it's gonna be beneficial. And I just love this. I also really love Josie Maran. And like Josie Maran's whole thing is argan oil. I think it's like the base of like literally all their products. They just like love argan oil over there at Josie Maran. And so do I. So will you. So next we have this Toca Florence Eau de Perfume. I sprayed it on myself and it's so good. It's like a light smell and it's super like it just smells like really good, honestly. Let me read what it is actually before I just start describing a fragrance in a way that's just like, it's really good. It's like so nice. All right, it's a Parisian Sophisticate Italian bergamot and crushed violet petals paired with rich gardenia with sophisticated blonde woods. I mean, I don't know what that means either, but it smells so good. It's just like, has such a nice, pretty smell to it. It's nothing too strong. It's not like gonna make you choke. It's not like 3 sprays of it. It's like, oh my gosh. No, it's amazing. It's like actually smells like so perfect and light, and I would wear this anywhere, like daytime, nighttime, that kind of thing. Throw it on, you smell cute. You move on with your day. Ooh, wow. So we have the Murad Night Fix Enzyme Treatment, and guys, I use this so much. Murad is one of my favorite brands to exist. I went to Murad and I met with Dr. Murad himself, and he gave me a lot of life lessons when I met him. He told me to eat my water. He told me to live my inner child. Like, I'm still inspired from that day with Dr. Murad. But anyways, I use Murad all the time. So this is really good for repairing on days that I go too crazy the night before or something like that. I just kind of like put this on and I feel new again. And this is great for like at night too. Like, it just feels so good. You wake up in the morning feeling so refreshed, and your face and your skin is just like ready for what you gotta do to it. So I'm really glad that this is in this month's box, because especially for September, you need a little Murad night enzyme. You know what I mean? Like, you just do. Next we have this Erno Laszlo hydrating toner. I'm a big fan of toners. I think when you use toners more frequently, the makeup applies much better and your skin just looks so much better, like more even complexion, just like everything is better. And it's one of my favorite steps in the skincare routine. I just feel like it feels nice to do the toner, and it feels like you're really cleaning like more than with some other stuff sometimes. I don't know, that's just my opinion. I'm a big fan of toners. And this one's a hydrating toner, so I'm really excited to try this one. This is a very trusted brand, so I'm sure I'm gonna love it. So we have this Vichy Lift Active Peptide C, and let's unbox this. I'm excited to see it. Ooh, wow, yeah. So, wow, that smells so good. So this will give you 48-hour hydration, which I mean, come on. 48-hour hydration, and it has vitamin C, which is really good for the skin. I love products with vitamin C in them. I actually look for products with vitamin C in them because it really just makes your skin look so beautiful and like so perfect. And like, I'm just a big fan of vitamin C when it comes to skincare. And yeah, this little baby right here. So also in the box is this Verso foaming cleanser, and I put it on my hand earlier just to give it a little smell because I haven't tried this product yet. And oh, the smell of it is so good, and this is such a trusted brand too, so I know I'm gonna love the cleanser, but it's very gentle, and I'm really excited to use this because sometimes I don't want to exfoliate. Sometimes I don't want to do a cleanser that's a little bit more harsh. Sometimes I want something like this, a brand I could trust that is just gonna lightly wash my face and smell really good too. All right, guys, that is what is inside of the September box. I'm really excited to use these throughout September, and I can't wait for next month's box too. But for September, I feel like all these products are exactly what I need, and with my new arsenal of products, I'm just ready. I'm ready for the next 30 days of my life to slay.